If you're experiencing pubic bone pain, especially during pregnancy, there's a few ways that you can be a little bit more mindful about moving in bed. So when you're laying down in bed, one of the biggest things you want to be mindful of is using your arms as much as possible. So really stair step yourself down with the arms, bring your legs up together before you lie down in bed. Whenever you're rolling, you want to use your heels so that you're activating the back side of your body to help initiate the movement, since the pubic bone is controlled more by the front of the body. So I'm going to get to my back to show you a good rolling tip first. Whatever side you're rolling towards, so we're going to roll towards this way, we want that leg long, and then you want to rely on your heel on the other side to help perform the movement. So I'm going to press with my heel with little baby movements until I have pushed myself all the way back over to my side. Once you're there, again, really rely on those arms, your hand and elbow to sit yourself up so that your legs don't have to do any work. Some common causes of pubic bone pain come from really simple everyday activities we're doing. You've probably noticed if you're having this type of pain through your midline of your pubic area that certain movements you're doing might initiate this pain. One of the most common things we see is when we step on the back of our shoes to pull our shoe off, that really pulls on these adductor muscles, which will really aggravate that pubic bone. So if you're experiencing that, it's really important to sit down, try to cross your leg, get your shoes on. You can also try to find shoes like this brand that are really accessible. So again, to take them off, I'd want to use my hands and make sure I can take the shoes off. But these are really nice because you don't even have to untie them and you can just step right into your shoes. These brands and some other ones are coming out that are really, really nice because you can just slide your foot right in. This is a Kizik shoe that we recommend highly. It's just a lot easier for people to not have to step on the back of the shoe or to have to really balance on one leg. A few other common things that we'll see that aggravate pubic bone issues is simple things like propping our foot up in the shower to shave legs, or maybe it's stepping over things like a baby gate or a dog gate. Also, when we're getting in our car, sometimes it's a really big step up and that motion can really aggravate a pubic bone. So maybe taking a little smaller step up onto a rail on the side of your car, or shimmying your booty into the car first and trying to guide your legs into the car. If one-legged motions like standing on one leg to shave the legs is bothersome, you could try to do an action like that in the bathtub while you're seated, or like for changing clothes, putting shoes, socks, underwear on, you might need to be at the point where you're seated so that you can do these one-legged activities without being under balance.